Cuisine is a type of food that is cooked in a specific way based on our cultural ingredients, tradition, and region. Now, let's sharpen your cooking skills because today we're going to be talking about cuisine lifestyle transformation, where we make conscious choices of what we eat and how our meal is being prepared. Hi, adorable people. Welcome back to another amazing video, My Life in a Nutshell, where we transform your lifestyle both in skincare and food. And it's your girl who Mimi Wale. I want to welcome all my returning subscribers. I love you all so much, and I want to welcome my first time subscriber. If it's your first time coming to this channel, I welcome you guys with open arms. You're welcome to the family because this is not a boring channel, but it's an educative and informative channel where you learn a lot of things. Now guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and hit that big button, subscribe, and on your notification bell because there's a lot of goodness coming your way. I love you all so very much. Now, cuisine is the regional style in which food is made. I want you now to pay attention very well because we have two types of cuisine. We have the African cuisine, which has to do with the African dishes, and we have the intercontinental cuisine, which has to do with our Thai cuisine, French cuisine, Japanese cuisine, American cuisine, Bangladesh cuisine, a lot of intercontinental cuisines inside here. So now guys, I want us to go back to when we were little. Remember when we were little, they taught us about the various classes of food, which is the protein, the carbohydrate, the mineral salt, the fat and oil. You remember our water. Remember guys, this were what we were taught when we were little, and we learned it very well. So this is also going to help us to do what? To embroaden our cuisine lifestyle transformation. Now in cuisine lifestyle transformation, there are steps in which I would love us to take. These are steps for us to upgrade our cuisine lifestyle transformation. Number one, you have to start incorporating, or will I say combining, various classes of food. You have to start combining various classes of food in different cultures by adding them daily to your food choices. If you add them daily to your food choices, this is a big transformation for cuisine lifestyle. This is the first step I want you to do. You have to start adding them. Like if you want to make bread, like an African woman like me now, as an African woman, I want to make bread and I want to bake bread and see, okay, I want to dice it up by adding sausage and all. And my African forefathers don't know anything about sausages. So now I'm trying to add it up with a different culture. That is the sausage in there. Can you see? I have upgraded my cuisine lifestyle transformation. So that is something I want us to get now. We have to start adding your various classes of food by adding with different cultures, by trying to by adding more to your daily food choices, you understand? Then number two, I want us to please stop those boring way you prepare your meals right now, because I'm here to level it up for you for your cuisine lifestyle transformation. You understand? So now I want us to experiment more, bring more way of preparing your meals, okay? One, we have to start experimenting more by grilling, by steaming your food, by baking, which will also help to retain those nutrients and flavors. You understand? You have to go out of your box and start grilling those chicken. You don't have to always be boiling it. You understand? You have to start grilling, baking your cake. Those are different ways. Baking your cakes and all. I remember our forefathers don't know anything about cake. So now you're going to a different culture, which is what? Baking. Do you understand? Can you see that lifestyle transformation coming on now if you do the steps? Can you see it? Then thirdly, I would like us to please gradually reduce the intake of processed food. Please gradually reduce your intake of processed food. This will level up your cuisine lifestyle. Please gradually reduce it. Your processed food, sugar, and unhealthy fat. Please, I beg you, try your best to reduce it, because when you take a lot of this, it's going to help you to do what? It's going to destroy you and going to make you sick. You will have obesity and all sorts of sickness. So please try your best to restrain the way you take processed food and all. Then thirdly, which is very important. If you want to transform your cuisine lifestyle, please, I would love you to do what? Hydrate. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water and mind your business. You understand? So you have to start what? Drinking a lot of water, which is very important. Okay. Now I've given you the steps in which you can transform your cuisine lifestyle. So these are the steps for you to upgrade your cuisine lifestyle transformation. These are very simple. Just know this step, and I bet you your cuisine lifestyle is going to be transformed to something better and healthier. You get? So please, I love you so much. If you have come this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and your notification bell, because there's a lot of goodness coming your way, and this is my life in a nutshell. I love you guys so much. I love you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe on that subscribe button. I beg you, on that subscribe button. Please, please. So guys, there are some benefits if you adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation. There are so many benefits, and I want to list them out, because if you hear this benefit, I bet you want to adopt that cuisine lifestyle. Now, number one, if you adopt this cuisine lifestyle, this is for sure, because one, you're going to be adopting a healthier habit, which will prevent you from having serious health issues like diabetes, obesity, and all. You know, if your obesity, if you adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation, it will help you for you to eat in the right proportion, which will help you to lose weight. I've known somebody that died out of obesity. Do you know that? Yes, someone has died out of it. So you need to adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation. You need to eat a lot of good and good food in the right proportion so you can lose weight. Okay. And secondly, the diabetes, which will help you to do what? If you eat good food, if you prepare good food, I bet you they're going to help you to lower your cholesterol and your blood sugar. Please, diabetes is real. You need to adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation, whereby taking that various classes of food. I'm going back again because this is very important, okay? Please adopt that cuisine lifestyle transformation. And secondly, I want you guys to know that if you adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation, it's going to help you to do what? To cook your food in the right balanced diet. Do you understand? When you cook your food in the right balanced diet and you serve it to your family, I bet you that you're going to have that happiness and substance around and smiles all over. Imagine you come back home and your wife or your husband or your lover or your loved ones cook make a very big dinner, a very big dinner filled with so many varieties of classes of food, so many cuisines, different cuisines from like French cuisines, make very nice Mexican taco and all. Like, won't you be happy? Won't you have that joy in you? You understand? So you need to adopt this cuisine lifestyle so you can make your loved ones happy. You can make the people around you happy by adopting that balanced diet food with various classes of food. You understand? Please adopt this cuisine lifestyle. You will feel happy. And thirdly, it will help you to sleep well. Have a good night's sleep. If you eat a very good healthy food, I bet you that you're going to sleep well. You don't have to be eating heavy food in the night. You have to try your best. When you adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation, I bet you start sleeping well. You will know that this is the kind of food you should eat at this time. You understand? Please, I love you all. Please adopt this. Adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation and you see yourself sleeping well. Okay. Then fourthly, I would like us to know that with this cuisine lifestyle transformation, it will help you to make your skin look what? Make your skin look and feel beautiful and healthy. Do you know that? Do you know that with good and healthy food, it is one of the biggest skincare booster? Yes, that will clear that bad skin. If you eat a lot of balanced diet food, it will help you to do what? To boost your skin. Eat a lot of fruit, vegetables, drink a lot of water. All this is going to clear up your skin. Please, I want you to adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation, and I bet you that your skin is going to look so beautiful. And fifth, it also helps to do what? To promote, it helps to promote and improve your memory. Yes, when you eat good food, I bet you at your 70, 80, amnesia might not come to your way. Yes, you have to try your best to adopt this lifestyle. And also, there are so many benefits in it, but I'm listing this. So I want you to, if you have your pen and paper, please jot this down, or you have your notes, jot this down, which is they are very important. And also, there's something I want you to know. Do you know that if you also make make different kind of cooking skills, adopt different kind of cooking skills and all that. Do you know there's what kind of confidence, self-boasting confidence that comes to your way? You know that you have that self-boost, you have that self confidence and self-esteem, which will also help you in personal growth. Why don't you adopt Cuisine Lifestyle Transformation? Please do that. And also, there is another one that is also going to help you too in this Cuisine Lifestyle Transformation, which is what you will now start appreciating more of different cultures, and or you appreciate more of different cultures, and also exploring diverse cuisine. You understand? Diverse culture is going to also help you to understand those different cultures. Yes, by exploring, they'll be like, okay, if I make this Chinese meal, this is how Chinese people like eating their food. You understand? By also exploring it, also help you to do what? To understand those cultures. You get. And lastly, this is something I want us to know. If you transform this, everybody want to live long. Everybody wants to enjoy their old youth. Everybody want to do that, right? So if you adopt this cuisine lifestyle, it helps to lighten your lifespan and gives you that force energy. So why don't you adopt this our cuisine lifestyle? Why? Please, I would love you all to please adopt this. By embracing this cuisine lifestyle transformation, I bet you're going to experience the benefits and enhancements of quality of life. And I want to say, hooray to all the people that is going to adopt this cuisine lifestyle transformation. I know you loved it, and I know you learned a lot in this video right now. And please let me know which of the tips you love more in this topic today. And please, guys, I want to beg you, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and on notification bell, because there's a lot of goodness coming your way. Okay, until next time, and I love you all so much. Keep shining and you keep living your best life. Mwah.